So guys, we got the engine out and I think this is new record. I think I did it in like 35 minutes, 40 minutes or something. Pretty easy actually.
I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see.
It's a lot easier when you only have one goal. It's just to yank the thing out and fix it instead of touching up all the small details and stuff and really going for the small details. Yeah. So engine is out and I just drained the oil. Oil looked good, so there was not any bearing material or any weird stuff that I was maybe expecting. I don't know. I tried just for the fun sake of it, I guess. Both starting wheels over here or flywheels or whatever, and not a single difference. And I tried to start it while it was hanging on the engine cradle or whatever to see how the starter engages and stuff, and nothing looks out of the ordinary or anything. It must be something in the bottom end. So let's get to the bottom of this problem, shall we? I'm gonna flip the engine around, get the oil pan off, and then we're gonna look at stuff. So the last clip you saw, I pulled the engine out and I already found the problem. Took a little while, and I'm not gonna lie, I took the whole bottom end out, got the main bearings off and stuff, because, you know, I just wanted to be sure nothing was stuck. So what did it end up being? Just a goddamn starter. So here we got a new replacement starter right here. That's a new unit, that's the old one. This is also supposed to be a heavy duty one. No idea what the difference is, but great, I guess. So we're gonna throw this bad boy on and hopefully it's gonna work, and then throw it back into the car. Let's get this started on and get the engine back into the engine bay, and we'll see if we can get the first start up today. That could be real damn cool. So let's go. I'm hyped now. I got the motivation back, you know. There we go, flywheel, everything is on, and we are pretty much ready to throw this thing into the engine bay. Should be pretty easy. I've done this so many times now, and basically I designed the engine bay myself, you know, where the wires run and everything. So it should take approximately 30 minutes, 40 minutes, which is also did taking it out. So, you know, let's just jump straight into it. Oh, also, real quick, I totally forgot this. Update on the little pony over here. So as you can see, fenders are back on. The few things that maybe doesn't make sense, and why is everything also so empty over in this corner? Have Oscar moved to another shop or whatever? Maybe, I don't know. So yeah, update on the little pony car here, the little 289 beast. As you can see, Oscar's got the whole engine bay painted and looks amazing. And now he's getting ready to throw on, you know, body panels again and throw the new engine in. But he's gonna throw the new engine in another place. I guess you kinda can try to take a guess of what I'm teasing here, but in a few videos there'll be a whole rundown on what's going on and why it looks like we're moving from this shop right now. So now let's get this engine in so it also can drive and get moved. Stop teasing, Vic. So exciting. So the last clip you guys saw, we threw in the engine. It's another day. I was thinking to myself, don't get too hyped up and hope for the first start up today. So it's a new day. We came into the shop fresh, prepared, and I'm ready to hear this beast. A raw XD, my boys. Let's see if this old girl starts up. I had it started real short and just got it like timed, the distributor and everything, so it should fire straight up, right up. Not quite sure the condition of my battery anymore. Pretty sure we need a new one, but let's give it a go, shall we? I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely hate starting cars up that you haven't started up, you know? so many things could go wrong and stuff. It's just scary, you know? It's just, wow. And yeah. Fuel pump, check. I'm not gonna lie, I miss that sound so damn much. By the way, it has no mufflers or anything on right now, and it sounds pretty fucking good. It's just headers down to collectors for maybe this long or something. Probably how we're gonna drive it, you know? So we're gonna end this video off here, and thank you so much for watching. Don't mind the smoke over there, that's just gear oil. Oh shit, it's catching fire. No, okay, so kidding. Thank you for watching today's video. Next video should be pretty interesting. We are probably taking this for a test drive. Maybe, I don't know. The only small things we need to do right now is basically bleed the brakes. Maybe get a better alignment or whatever. Right now it's just like eyeballed or whatever, but still pretty good enough or decent enough to take a quick test drive out here. Should be it. Maybe also bleed the radiator. We haven't really gone through the full heat cycle or whatever, but we should be good. Also, next video, of course, you're gonna see it with the hood, the fenders on and everything. And I got a little surprise. As you can see, all these clips, you haven't been able to see the wheels. Why? Why, you may ask? Well, we got new wheels, and they are freaking dope, and they look hella awesome on the car. You know, we're gonna save that for the last wrenching video on the Firebird. Because, I don't know. So, thank you for watching, and leave a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.